Hi and welcome to the channel. It's the 22nd of October today and we've had quite a warm month, so normally I'll have had my hot water on by now, but last night was the first time I put the immersion heater on and I got a tank full of hot water today. So I've got quite an interesting day today, got a nice conservatory roof to do inside now, so I thought I'd take you with me and see how we get on. So I've mixed the contact cleaner up in the constant flow at about 20 to 30 millilitres per litre of water. Now I'm using hot water in the tank today, so that's using hot water to mix it up with, so which that means that the hypo will work much more effectively with hot water, so you only need quite a weak solution. So now I'm going to clean the rest of the windows, give it time to dwell a bit, and then I'll wash it all down off the conservatory roof. So this is just an old SLX pole I've made up that I use just for gutters and conservatory roofs, and what I've done is I've fitted a hose lock to 5mm barb on this, so I can just plug it straight into the garden tap, and it's really effective for washing down. So now I've got all that washed down, got the worst off it, I'll just go over the windows and frames with the pure water just to make sure I don't leave any marks on it. So another very happy customer. She was absolutely blown away by the results. We did inside and out and it came up looking really good because it hadn't been done for quite a while. So did I learn anything from this? Because I do try and learn something from every job I do. Well, I learned that 20 millilitres of the contact cleaner, even with hot water, isn't quite enough. So next time I will maybe do 30 litres. It still did a good job, but you just needed to scrub that little bit harder. So I did learn that. I also learned that I think I prefer the medium sill brush from Gardner. I think the stiff was just a little bit too stiff. With the medium, I think the bristles just splay out a little bit more and get into those hard to reach little cracks and grooves, and just grip the roof a bit better. So yeah, next time I'll be using the other brush. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.